Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Motorola One 5G Edge device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector, so to not damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and then take a brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.